What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a little bit of a NASCAR diecast unboxing. We got a special one here today because what we have here are going to be some diecasts that I've missed out on over the years that I just think are holy grails, and I don't know why I missed out on them, but I got them now, and we're going to take a look today, starting off with this small box, and we got a really big box coming up soon. But in the small box we should have one diecast that I have no idea how I missed out on when it was actually on shelves and actually around. So there we go. It looks like we can start to see through here. See what I can do to get this out of here. Something or another. There we go. So we've got Chase Elliott's number 24 Hooters truck from 2020, Wave 6 of NASCAR Authentics. Again, as a Chase Elliott fan, no idea how it took me this long to get my hands on it. But here it is nonetheless. Pretty sweet little ride there. So now I got this ginormous box to actually get into. We'll move this off. So now we've got the ginormous box on the screen. I guess it doesn't really do it justice to see here, but let me try to rip into it and show you what I got. Should be two Holy Grail diecast, but let me rip it into it and then we'll get to showing what is in the box. So here we go. Looks like we got packing penis out the wazoo here today. Let's see how I can get the things out here. Oh yeah, all over the place. So we got alright, let's just take it off. So we got one box there that I'll be saving for last. The first one I'm gonna bring out, Jeff Gordon. This is 2013, so I don't know how it took me this long to get. One of my favorite paint schemes of all time. The 2013 I'm Ron Elite truck paint, number 24, for Jeff Gordon. Again, one of my favorite paint schemes that he's ever ran. Let me get it out and show it real quick. So here it is, out of the box and unscrewed. Again, like I said, one of my favorite Jeff Gordon schemes of all time. Just so out of nowhere. Other than the flames, looks nothing like anything other than just this one-off little race at Talladega in 2013. I'm Ron Elite truck paint. A part of that Exalta line. All those little spin-offs from DuPont. But again, took 10 years to get. Really expensive now, but so glad to have it. So cool. I got the 164 somewhere, and to add the 124, just perfect. Love it. And we got one more thing. Let's move this off to the side. We got one more thing in this big box. Another Grail of a purchase. So let's see what I can bring out here. And there it is. This is Jeff Gordon's 85th Cup Series win, commemorating 85 wins in the Cup Series. This was Atlanta. Got this off eBay, and I know it does not come with all that it's supposed to. It's basically just the box and the race car. Pretty cool to list off all the wins. We got the bracelet, pretty sweet. Then, of course, the race car. Let's see if I can get it out here. Shut that back for now. And there it is, the Atlanta race winner for his 85th Cup Series victory. This one took even longer to end up in my collection. But here it is. One of the cooler things now. Both the cars, the Jeff Gordon cars from this video, perfect additions. Jeff Gordon, my #1 guy growing up. And again, I knew there was a little bit of damage back here. But this is just such an expensive set car to get. So I'm okay with getting it this way, because I don't think the opportunity will come up again like that for the price. So that is really cool. Glad to get them both, of course. Jeff Gordon, my guy, and my current guy, the added bonus of Chase Elliott missing out on his Hooters truck. So glad to finally get it back. But that'll wrap up this video. Really exciting little mail day for me. But leave a comment on this video, like the video, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.